We also have text shadow, which is very interesting because we have two kinds of shadows in CSS. One is this, and one is the next one that I'm going to teach you right away. So the first one, as I said, is text shadow. Text shadow gets two values about the angle of the text, the shadow. And the third value is going to be the amount to that shadow. And the fourth value is going to be the color to that shadow. So as you see, I've got this. So if I change the angles, for example, this is X, the first one is X, the second one is Y. So for example, I say 10 pixels in X, 0 in Y. And as you see, this is what happens with my shadow. I can say 50, for example. You see, this is what happens. I can say 10 and 10. So this will give me an angle of this, like the light is happening from here or something like that, you know? And we can play with it. We can say 10 instead of 20, for example. So it will make it sharper. Sorry, let's set it back to 0, 0. Yes. Or we can change the color. We can change the opacity to the color, as you see. And it will affect our shadow. There's plenty of things we can do. We can set it to a yellow shadow, for example. And this is what we got. So this is text shadow. As well as text shadow, we also have got box shadow, which is a very different thing. It also gets the same values. So green, I say, for example. So there's two parameters for the angle, X and Y, X and Y. There's a parameter for the amount or the volume, and there is a color to that shadow. But this shadow is a box shadow, as you see. And it will happen to our boxes, as you see. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.